Did you know baby elephants are basically 200-pound toddlers with a built-in vacuum cleaner for a nose? Yeah, wild, right? Baby elephants weigh around 100 pounds at birth. That's heavier than most